Well, friends, what do we have here? Fresh oranges. But it tastes too sour. Can you tell me what makes these oranges so sour? Yes, the presence of citric acid. And we all know that acids are sour in taste. Here, citric acid is an example of natural or organic acids. The other group of acids are called as mineral acids. And the acids we see in our chemistry labs, like nitric acid, is an example of this group. Now tell me, have you ever tasted baking soda? If not, then let me tell you, it tastes bitter, and when mixed with water, it gives a soapy consistency. Therefore, it is a base. So far, we determined the nature of substances by tasting them. But is it safe to taste all substances to determine their nature? Definitely not. Then how do we determine the substances which are inedible? Remember, we cannot taste them. Not to worry, because in chemistry, we have a group of extremely useful chemicals called indicators to help us with this. When we mix them with an acid or base, these versatile indicators change their color, and that is how we can decipher the nature of the substance. Why don't we move forward and understand more about these indicators? They are classified according to their sources. Some are organically found in nature and therefore are known as natural indicators. Litmus, turmeric, China rose are examples of such indicators. On the other hand, there are a few chemicals which are synthesized in the laboratory and are called as synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are synthetic indicators. Well, to satiate your curiosity, let's first discuss about natural indicators. The most commonly used natural indicator in chemistry is litmus. It is a mixture of dye extracted from the lichens. When we apply acid on blue litmus paper, it changes its color to red. On the other hand, base solution changes the red litmus paper to blue. Well, turmeric is one of the most used spices in India. Let's bring this golden spice to our chemical lab. It is a naturally occurring yellow color compound and also a brilliant acid-base indicator. What it means is, turmeric is acidic in nature and remain in its original color, that is yellow, when acid or neutral solutions are added to it. However, if we add alkaline substance to it, the color changes to a bright red. You can demonstrate this as a magic trick to impress your family in the kitchen. Let's look at the synthetic substances now. The first example we are going to discuss is methyl orange. The color change of this indicator depends upon the acidity of the solution. In acidic medium, it shows red color. If we add base to it, it would first change to orange and then gradually it would turn yellow in basic medium. Now tell me, have you ever heard about phenolphthalein? It is another widely used synthetic indicator. If you dissolve this chemical in water, it will give you colorless solution. If you mix it with acid, it remains colorless. However, if you add any base, it will instantly change to beautiful pink. How about I let you in a small trivia here? Phenolphthalein is also used by anti-corruption team to fight corruption. Your task is to find out more about it. Let me add a hint for you. It got to do with its property as, you guessed it right, an indicator. You see, chemistry is useful everywhere from kitchen to the government offices. Well, now tell me what is common in all the synthetic and organic indicators we just discussed. Something to do with colors, right? That means they can visually determine if the given substance is an acid or a base. What if I tell you there are some compounds that help us to detect acid or base by smell? Hence, they are known as olfactory indicators. Vanilla, onion, and cloves are considered to be such indicators. We all know these items have characteristic odor. If we add acid to them, one can still smell the odor. But when we apply base to them, their smell vanishes. Interesting, right? So you got another magic trick from the Marvelous Kitchen today. Well, that's all for this topic. Let's recap what we learned today. Acids taste sour and are of two types, natural example citric acid, and mineral, example nitric acid. Bases taste bitter and give soapy consistency when mixed with water. In chemistry, we use indicators to identify acids and bases. Litmus, turmeric, China rose are natural indicators, while methyl orange and phenolphthalein are examples of synthetic indicators. In addition, we also have olfactory indicators such as vanilla, onion, and cloves. Keep exploring more about the fascinating world of acids and bases with our upcoming videos. Bye for now.